Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. Here I have Bose's all new noise cancelling headphone 700, and in this Sri Lankan exclusive video I'm gonna be unboxing this and showing you guys what comes inside the box when you buy one, and I will also show you guys how you can set it up onto your device. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and check out Bose's all new noise cancelling headphone 700. The box of the noise cancelling headphone 700 is a black box with a picture of the Bose headphones at the front. There are a lot of new things about the Bose noise cancelling headphone 700, so we'll talk more about that later on. Right at the front of the box it says noise cancelling headphones 700. So without wasting any more time, when I open up the box, the first thing that we find is the pouch which holds the headphones themselves, and underneath the pouch we find the user manual. Opening this comfortable looking pouch up, we find the all new Bose noise cancelling headphones 700, and inside this we also find a USB Type-C cable along with a 2.5 to 3.5mm cable which can be used to listen to the Bose noise cancelling headphones 700 in case you drain the battery. That's about it for the contents inside the box. Now in order to go ahead and set up these headphones, you need to go ahead and download the Bose Music app which is available for both Android and iOS. After that, open up the application and register for a free Bose account. Once that is done, you can allow all the notifications, and then it's time to go ahead and add the Bose noise cancelling headphones 700 onto the device. In order to pair these headphones with your smartphone, you need to go ahead and hit on the Bluetooth button once. After that, the device will show up in the application. Now you can go ahead and select it, and then a pairing request will come which you can accept, and then you can select it as an accessory. Once that is done, it will say that it's activating the product, and once that is done, it will show a success message along with a product tour of what's new. So just like that, we have successfully paired the Bose noise cancelling headphone 700 onto our smartphone. So now we can go ahead and listen to music and enjoy the experience right in here. Like I mentioned before, there are a lot of new things about the Bose noise cancelling headphones 700, and there's a lot to love about this. Rather than putting all of these thoughts into this video, I'm gonna be bringing you guys my full review of the Bose noise cancelling headphones 700 tomorrow right here on Andro Dollar. So if you guys want to check out that video, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. And once that video is live, I'll have a card for it right here as well as a link down below in the description for you to check it out. So definitely go ahead and find it down there. That's not it. I will also bring you guys an exclusive tips video for you to make the maximum out of your Bose headphones. That will also drop soon. So stay tuned right here on Andro Dollar. Follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes and updates. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to Andro.com for all the latest from the tech world. Go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this Sri Lankan exclusive. And if you think this video is useful, definitely go ahead and share this video with all of your friends. Well, with all of that being said, until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.